Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Melissa and welcome to my kitchen. Today's recipe is crazy easy and full of ingredients that you just keep in the pantry, and it's perfect for those nights when you're not sure what to make and don't want to have to think too hard. So all we do is we start with a can of corn and we just pour everything in, the whole can, juice and all, and then a can of black beans. You can use whatever sort of beans you like. 2 cans of chicken or 1 large can of chicken. And a 12-ounce jar. This one is a 24-ounce jar, but we're just going to use half of it. A 12-ounce jar of some kind of roasted salsa. This one is roasted garlic. I got it at Safeway. And then a 4-cup container of chicken broth. And then we're just going to give that a quick stir and cover it with a lid. And since everything is a pantry item, all we're doing is heating it up. It's already cooked. And then we've got this little plate here of some fresh ingredients like cheese, avocado, cilantro, and tortilla strips. And once our soup is brought to a simmer or a boil, it's time to serve. Now, this soup is great on its own with just the pantry items and maybe a little salt. But if you want to elevate your soup to a fresher taste and feel, then definitely add your favorite fresh ingredients. I'm going to be adding some sour cream, avocado, cheese, cilantro, and tortilla strips. Alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like and share it. That helps it do well in the algorithm. And make sure to follow me on Instagram, and I just started a TikTok. The links for those will be down below. And I'll also leave some links for various ingredients used that you can buy on Amazon. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.